Mr. Soprano, Justin, perfect, perfect, perfect. Excellent. Enjoy yourselves. We do talk cordial trash in here. That's a regular thing, so don't be afraid of that, okay? Cordial now, cordial. It's a fine art. It is 5:57, and I said I was going to rip, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Good luck, everybody. All right, let's start with the blasters. We do have a little bit of ripping here to do tonight. Oh, let's move this over here real quick. That's better. And give me these blasters. I want this one, and I want this one. Jimmy, popping off, dog? Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Thank you, everybody. Like I said, tomorrow I'll post tomorrow night's break. I usually get on at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time. That break will be posted somewhere around 12 o'clock tomorrow Eastern Standard Time. So that'll be your chance to get some of the better teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good luck. Here we go. James Cook, Bradley Chubb, Anthony Gould on the rookie, and hey, that's not a bad start. Bucky Irving for the Bucks. We'll take that, Mr. Soprano. That's a good start. What up, playa? I think they re-signed their wide receiver, too, today. Godwin? I think so. Cortland Sutton, Patty Mahomes, Garrett Wilson. And for the Detroit Lions, Jared the Hitman Goff. Look at him. Holla. Going to Scotty. Scotty was saying he needed to up his Jared Goff collection. Well, that's a start. Mushin Muhammad, Ramondre Stevenson, Kool-Aid McKinstry for the Saints, and for the Chargers, Josh Palmer, who was just recently signed by the Bills. But it goes to the team that they're on, obviously, and that's the Chargers. We do like Bucky. Let's hope he's not done yet. James Conner, Daniel Carlson, Treylon Burks, rookie, Marshawn Nealon for the Dallas Cowboys, and the Kid Reporter. Chase Brown, C.J. Stroud, Cooper DeJean on the base rookie, okay. And Rachaad White for the Bucks. A couple of bucks in this one. Last pack of the first blaster. Javonte Williams, Mike Quick, Silver Hollow, Jacob Cowing for the Niners. And on the Prism Break, DK Metcalf. Be aware of skill players for the Niners now. They've got an opening. Until they sign somebody, I guess, or draft somebody. Ed Oliver, Sam Darnold, Jaheim Bell, and the odd man. Well, we won't say that yet. Because Old Fields has been pushed around more than once. So Jordan Travis might not be. He's obviously the backup plan, but that could be changed quickly. John Elway, Chris Jones, Fred Warner, And Jimmy Johnson. Bro, you know you had to get a Jimmy Johnson again. Extends. Brought to you by Blue Chew. DeAndre Swift, Jordan Love, Tavondre Sweat. Look at this big frit. Like, he ain't no... Like, you know that guy's difficult to move. And Joe Montana for the Chiefs. Going to the Choosman. Appreciate the likes, everybody. Buda Baker. Tua Tagovailoa, Devin Singletary. We got another rookie. Byron Murphy for the Seahawks, who don't always get a whole lot of love. That's going to Scon Dissel. TJ Hushmanzada, Jalen Petrie, Jaquan Jackson, and Tyler Conklin with the Kid Reporter going to the Jets. One blaster pack left. One blaster remains right here. The final pack. The last pack magic. Yeah? Zay Flowers. Mike Evans. Silver Hollow Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts, and for the Green Bay Packers, on the base prismatic, Marshawn Lloyd. I still say I wish the Lions had somebody like a Michael Pittman Jr. He'd be perfect for, I don't know, what we don't have. All right. Well, that's the end of the Prism. Let's do a Donruss Mega, and then we'll open those hangers, just in case there's something really nasty in one of them. I guess there could be in the Mega too, but it doesn't matter. We're going to open all of it anyways. You do get all your cards, by the way. I know some people ask that when they're kind of new in here. Whatever's pulled here, you get. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Good luck, everybody. I've been doing pretty good. I've pulled a lot of DTs. I hope I can keep doing. Right here, right now. How about in this pack? That'd be cool. Warren Moon, Taysom Hill, Mike Evans, a patch, Malachi Corley for the Jets, going to, I believe, Mr. Soprano. Christian Gonzalez for the Pats. George Pickens on the Action All-Pros for the Steelers. A nice pink Brian Thomas Jr. for the Jaguars, going to Miss Esquire. Fashanu for the Jets, Matabuki, and Andre Reed. Mr. Pickens. Ooh, I just thought about that. The Pats just got a lot better in their secondary, didn't they? Darius Slade Jr., Najee Harris, Jonathan Mingo, Tank Dell, Terrion Arnold for the Lions, Quinnen Williams on the throwback for the Jets on the red. Ooh, boy. That looks good. Going to cardboard. Red, Marvin Harrison Jr., Optic Preview, Theo Johnson, Anthony Munoz, and Jerome Ford, and the Kid Reporter. Nice hit, bro. Nice hit. A little last team magic. That looks really good on the red. It probably looks good on the pink too, but it definitely looks better on the red. Fred Warner, Dexter Manley, Quentin Nelson, Aiden O'Connell. Jalen Wright on the throwback canvas. For the Bills, Keon Coleman. All right, cardboard. Luke McCaffrey for the Commanders going to Arkham. Byron Murphy II, Jaleel McLaughlin, and Alex Anzalone. Kendrick Bourne, DeAndre Swift, Christian Kirk, Max Crosby, Rasul Douglas for the Bills. For the Cardinals, James Conner, Pink Flournoy, Cooper DeJean on the base, Eli Manning, and Mike Williams. Going a little backwards there, Mega. Come on back to us now. Come on back to us now. Don't be a stranger. Don't you be no stranger. Cheeseman, I don't know if you were in here when I asked earlier. I know you're here now. Did Dallas do anything today? Even if it was nothing? Did they do anything? Jake Ferguson, Romeo Dobbs, Rashawn Slater, Byron Young, Jalen Johnson. On the rookies, we got Michael Pratt. Rookie Revolution, Dallas Turner for the Vikings. Red, Malik Washington, University of Virginia. Going to the Dolphins, Adonai Mitchell, Devin Witherspoon, and Simeon Rice. It's like they knew. It's like they knew. All right, last one. We've got a whole nother mega after this, too, but. Oh, get it. Boo. Boo. Travis Kelce, CJ Stroud. Oh, don't worry. Detroit's not good. Don't worry about them, okay? You don't have to worry about them. Oh, Marshawn Lattimore. Sky Moore on the champ is here. Ooh, well, we get to see them both. Marvin Harrison Jr. on the pink. Congrats, bro. Johnny Wilson, B. John Robinson, Kyle Hamilton, and the Kid Reporter. A little first time breaker magic. Now we're going to do the off-year optic. That's what we're going to do now. See if we can get an ancient relic or two. The whole thing with this stuff is that you don't ever know, but you can't have a shot at these cards if you don't open that product. So we're going back to 2020 and 2021. Oh, this is a truly ancient relic. Has he got another one in him, Lion Hunter? Yeah, he does. We've got Jordan Poyer on the front of this one. Empty box. And we've got Stephon Diggs on the front of that one. Empty box. All right, 2020, what you got for us? You got any surprises in here? Stephon Diggs, Daniel Jones, Zeke Elliott, George Kittle, Darius Leonard, Austin Eckler, Marquise Brown, Drew Brees, Tom Brady, DJ Chark Jr., rated rookie. Tyler Johnson for the Bucks on the black and white. Keenan Allen on the silver hollow for the Chargers. Elite Series rookies, DeAndre Swift going to the Lions. Hang on, somebody's behind DeAndre here. Tom Brady on the T- for the Bucks. Christian Fulton for the Titans. Colby Parkinson for the Seahawks. Jeff Okudah for the Lions. For the Titans, Cole McDonald. I don't even remember Cole McDonald for the... Hey, we take it, though. T. Higgins for the Bengals. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And our last one is a Ram, Cam Akers. He shows up a lot. Cam Akers shows up a lot. We got a T. Higgins, though. A couple Tom Brady's. Of course, Cole McDonald was in there chilling, you know. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? DeAndre. I'll go ahead and take care of these Tom Brady's too because they've kind of stopped printing his cards, so or a vast amount of them anyways. So you don't... Tom Brady's in that like Michael Jordan-esque type deal where you kind of need to at least take care of his card. So that's what we'll do. It's crazy money that some of those Michael Jordans go for. Crazy. Like PSA 8s going for 3Gs and stuff. And that's not the rookies either. That's just like inserts from the early 90s. And let's do this. All right, 21. I don't think so. I pulled a lot of downtowns out of these 21s. Poyer, Slayton, Corey Davis, Jerry Jeudy, Stephon Diggs, Chenault, another Tom Brady, J.K. Dobbins, Cam Akers, Eric Metcalf, Nashawn Wright for them boys, J.C. Horn, the highest paid corner in the league now for the Panthers, T-Law for the Texans. He's got a little bit of schmutz on him here. See that? I don't even know what that is. I'll see what I can do if I can do anything there. Ronald Jones for the Bucks. Shane Buechele for the Chiefs. Larry Roundtree III for the Chargers. Jaguar Travis Etienne Jr. Okay. Cornell Powell. Legendary logos. These are pretty sick. For the Eagles. Jalen Hurts. And, looky there. A Trevor Lawrence on the... I always say it's the debut because that's what it looks like. These are only in the hangers, these right here. So we'll take that, Justin. I don't know what's on this other one. I'm not sure what's going on with that one, bro. Correct, variation. It did. It redeemed itself. There were 3 Jags in here. That would have been a heck of a hanger to open in 2021. We would have been having a good old time. Still not terrible, but J.C. Horn for the Panthers. And I don't know about Nashawn Wright anymore. Somebody'd have to fill me in. I don't know if he's still a viable option for them. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. But what I can tell you is that we got a mega and 2 hobbies left. That we do have. The first mega was chock full of Marvin Harrison Jr.'s. Let's see what this one has. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good luck. Good luck. Come on, this pack right here. Come on. Come on. Come on. One more D. Jair Alexander. Patty Mahomes. Joey Bosa. A Drake London patch for the Falcons. Not terrible, Mr. PG. Jamal Lewis. For the Vikings, J.J. McCarthy on the rookies. Okay, we'll take that, Ben. We'll take that, bro. Let's see. Johnny Wilson for the Eagles. Spencer Rattler for the Saints. Andre Rison and Mark Andrews. Rattler. Mr. Rattler. Big old Papa Doc right here. What you know about Jamal Lewis? Look at them guns. Look at them arms. And let's not forget JJ. Going to Ben Bodie. Brett Favre, Devontae Smith, Chris Olave, Jalen Waddle, Green Press Proof, Barry Sanders, Brad Johnson on the throwback. On the red, Luke McCaffrey one more again for the Commanders. Our boy, Greg Rousseau, and Chase Brown. You were in that mega all along, huh, bro? Brad Johnson and my boy, Barry Sanders. What you know, what you know. George Pickens, Brandon Ayuk, Alvin Kamara, Rashad White. Rated rookie Keelan Robinson for the Jags. Bomb Squad Malik Neighbors. We take those. Going to Jimmy. Isaiah Davis for the Jets. Brock Bowers on the base. David Njoku and Josh Reynolds. There's a sighting. There's a sighting, Tina. As we head into two hobbies. He has appeared. These bomb squads are pretty cool, too. They ain't bad. They ain't bad. Jahan Dotson. Bailey Zappi, Will Levis, Mike Rozier. Green, Mark Brunell. Jonathan Taylor for the Colts on the Gridiron Kings. Nice. Xavier Leggett for the Panthers. It's going to cardboard. Malachi Corley, Sam Laporta, Danny Dimes, and the Kid Reporter. And if you just got in here or whatever, I will do a recap of everything at the end. What do you give me a hard time? Thank you. And Mark Brunell. DJ Moore. Hang on, let's get a little bit of this base wrinkled in real quick. Thank you. DJ Moore. Deron Bland, Dalton Schultz. DJ Moore. Deron Bland, Dalton Schultz, Javon Holland. For the Pats, Drake May, excellent. That's nice. Going to Jaws. Michael Penix on the Vortex. Another good deed, Mr. PG. Ryan Flournoy, Amarius Mims, Aaron Rodgers, and Jackson Smith and Jigba. They couldn't have topped us off with a nice little deed on this one. It had to be old boy. It had to be Flournoy. I'm not mad because both of these are good. I'm just saying they couldn't. Just one little more deed. One more deed. Drake May, Michael Penix, and Jaden Daniels or Bo Nix, something like that. Well, we do have the hobbies left. So if you haven't gotten a deed yet, ideally it would be in there. Josh Jacobs, Jamal Charles, Evan Ingram, Mark Duper, Kyle Hamilton for the Ravens, Dominators, DeAndre Hopkins for the Titans. On the pink, Malik Neighbors for the G-Men. How about that, Jimmy? Michael Pratt, Kyler Murray, and Grady Jarrett. It's a good box. A good box. Very good. Very good. I like you. Now, I guess we'll do Topps Chrome last. Rookies and Stars has the most potential for a good ending, but we're going to do this because what if there's a monster QB auto in that or something? I would rather see that last. So we're going to do Rookies and Stars, and then we're going to do Topps Chrome. There are 6 packs per box. Empty box. 10 cards per pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hobby time. Jalen Waddle, Bobby Wagner, Jonathan Taylor. On the Great American Signatures, Reed Blankenship for the Eagles going to the Cheeseman out of 99. Yes, 99. Sorry. I thought it threw me off. Raheem Mostert, Keon Coleman, Adisa Isaac out of 299 for the Ravens. James Cook on the base Thrillers going to the Bills. We'll take that cardboard. Marvin Harrison Jr. again and Ladd McConkey. Old Reed Blankenship going to the Cheeseman. George Kittle, Alvin Kamara, Kyle Hamilton, Max Crosby. For the Bills, 10 out of 10 bookend gold going to cardboard. You're having yourself a break, bro. Welcome to Primo Breaks. It's they're doing deeds for you. 10 out of 10 gold. Not bad, mate. We take golds around here. DJ Moore. Michael Penix on the rookie rush. Thrillers, Caleb Williams on the base. I don't think it's numbered, but we definitely take that too. That's going to Mr. Soprano. Johnny Wilson and Javon Bullard. Sometimes my handwriting's not that great, Mr. Soprano. I looked at it, and that's what I read. But we certainly take those. Rashad White, Jamison Williams, Breece Hall, Anthony Gould is our other auto for the Colts, and that is out of $4.99. Take that cardboard. Another little auto in your back pocket there. For the Chiefs. Oh, nice. Xavier Worthy, 37 out of 49 on the True Blue draft class. That looks good. That's going to the Cheeseman. Not bad, brother. Know what we might be doing with that one. $37 out of 49. We got us another Malik Neighbors. Bo Nix. Justin Herbert on the base airborne for the Chargers, but we'll take it. Jacob Cowing and Devin Culp. I don't think this box is done yet. Out of 49, out of 10. It might not be done yet. But we did finally get a Bo sighting. Okay. What else you got, rookies and stars? You're not doing too bad. Kind of liking our odds here at something maybe. Well, we'll find out. DeAndre Swift, Puka Nacua, Terry McLaurin. For the Steelers, a third. Is that a third auto? It is. Anthony Gould, Dijon Edwards, and Reed Blankenship so far. And Dijon is out of $4.99. For the Panthers, purple Jatavian Sanders out of 35. Yep. That's going to cardboard. Bo Nix, Michael Penix. For the Packers, Marshawn Lloyd on the base Crusade. Byron Murphy and Ben Sinnott. Just who Arkham was looking for. Just who Arkham was looking for. There you go. There it is. Break over. Groundhog Day. Get a little Marshawn Lloyd here. Out of 10, out of 35, 3 autos, and an out of 49 so far with 2 packs left. I've got a few of those out there, cardboard. You come by anytime you want. We try to have a good time around here. And just so happens every once in a while, I get people deeds. So you get deeds, we have a good time, and then you get some deeds. But I'm interested to see what else is left in this. Michael Pittman Jr., Myles Garrett, Kendrick Bourne, Derrick Henry on the True Blue. Oh, boy. It's got to be, isn't it? It's got to be. Oh, no. Austin Eckler out of 149. Darn it, Arkham. I thought it was. It had that. Devontae Adams for the Raiders. J.J. McCarthy on the rookie rush. Matt Stafford on the base airborne. Tavondre Sweat and Roman Wilson. Oh, man, they tricked me. I thought it was him. I did. I thought it was him. Last rookies and stars, and we got a whole hobby of Topps Chrome next. Probably a patch in here, I would imagine. Patty Mahomes, Baker Mayfield, Amon-Ra St. Brown on the patch for the Bucks. How about a Bucky Irving out of $3.99? Mrs. Soprano, holla. Behind Bucky is Brock Bowers. That's number 2, Tina, I think. Maybe 3. Christian McCaffrey for the Niners. On the rookie for Michael Penix. Yeah! A little deed, Mr. PG, out of $2.99. Holla. Troy Franklin on the base thrillers for the Broncos. Marshawn Lloyd. And Chris Jenkins. It's a good box. Good box. And Bucky. All right, let's see what's going on in this finale here. Topps Chrome style. And again, I will do a recap at the end of this. Also, I see a lot of people in here. Any of my regular breakers, or even if you're new, I usually post my break for tomorrow night at 6:30 in the morning. It will be around noon time tomorrow, Eastern Standard Time. So if you're looking to get a good squad, that's when it'll be dropped. And then I'll be live at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time. We usually do 2 on Tuesday. So I'll put a little something. I'll put a little something together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That is an empty box, folks. No hidden. One day they'll put a hidden PSA slab in there, but today's not that day. Good luck, everybody. Neil Anderson, Mike Vrabel, Luke Kuechly, Patrick Willis, Keenan McCardell, Bo Jackson on the Legends of the Gridiron, Quinion Mitchell, and Jalen McMillan. That's I think that's just the base pack. I think that's the only one. It better be. Gil, you know I was just messing with you. Bro, with that, I'll tell you how that happened. I was putting everything together, and I had a lot of packages. No joke. I have. Anyways, I was putting it together, and I have my like extras set to the side. I have some like good ones that I have to go get, and then I have the ones that I usually use. Well, in that stack was that card already in a 55 point, and I had yours in my hand. I said, well, I guess, what can you do? What can you do? It was kindred. It was meant to be. It was meant to be. I couldn't control it. It just happened. Oh, hey, man, that's not in the break. Spashkaradulnya. That means you've been blocked. Adrian Peterson. Michael Vick. Bruce Matthews. Donnie Shell on the refractor. J.C. Latham for the Titans. Johnny Wilson on the Future Stars. Jonah Ellis and Jalen Ford. Oh, my goodness. If something ain't chilling in here, I don't know what to say. There ain't no way. Nope. I know it. I don't know who, but get ready. There ain't no way. First 2 packs? Nope. Scotty wants to see his Barry Sanders auto first. Torrey Holt, Terrell Davis, Jason Witten, Donovan McNabb for the Chargers. This might be an auto. Out of 150. Nope. It's Dan Fouts out of 150, though. We'll take that, Mr. Soprano. Oh, my goodness. Is that my boy? Barry Sanders out of 75. Sunday swag. Congrats, Scotty. It's a nice little card. That's a nice little card. 237 rushing yards, November 13th, 1994. Nice, bro. Dylan Laub for the Raiders and Tommy Eichenberg for the Raiders. Don't know much about them, Tina, to be honest. But Barry Sanders out of 75, yep, we like those. You do know a buyer. Yes, you do. And Daniel Fouts. I honestly don't think that was the one, though. I'm telling you. The way that this started just has that feel. Jason Kelsey, Sterling Sharp, Ed Too Tall Jones, Joe Thomas on the refractor for the Browns. Joe Montana on the Sunday swag for the Niners. Michael Irvin for the Cowboys on the refractor. Theo Johnson and Austin Reed. Joseph Montana. And Joe Thomas. Antonio Gates, Don Majkowski, Wayne Krebet, Houston out of 199. Bruce Matthews on the auto. Wow. That's actually, just so you know, that is, Justin, that's Titans. That's not the Texans. That's the Titans. The Oilers. And that is Scotty, I believe. I think. Yep. Rookie for the Falcons on the refractor. Adonai Mitchell, Chris Braswell, and Joe Alt. And Justin, we still got some packs to go here, but you're heading your way into the Primo giveaway. But we're not done yet. All of a sudden I could pull something. It can happen. Done it before, and I'll do it again. I can really see it when I sort it, though. That's when I can really see it. Joe Montana. It's behind Joe. Neil Smith. DeMarco Murray. Darrell Revis. Troy Aikman for Denver. Steve Atwater on the refractor. Jatavian Sanders and Ladd McConkey. We got a whole nother row here. A whole nother row and should be another auto. But Bruce Matthews is a good auto. It's not a bad one. Guy's legit. Truly legit. A family of NFL greats, really. Delaney Walker, Larry Johnson, Dalton Hilliard, Walter Payton for the Falcons, Jace McClellan out of 199, Emmitt Smith All-Chrome Team, Malik Neighbors, and Blake Corum for the Rams. pulled one of those Frozen cards yesterday out of this. Dexter Manley, Emmitt Smith, Ty Law, Steve Grogan for the Pats, Graham Barton for the Bucks, Amon Green on the finesse for the Pack, Youthquake, Terry and Arnold for the Lions on the refractor, Dallas Turner, and a Cade Stover, a Texan, showed up. It took 74 packs, but a Texan showed up. Mr. Grogan. Understood, Scotty. Eli Manning. Anthony Munoz. See, that's how we roll around here in the Shire. We got pimps and playas up in here. Eric Moulds. Randy Moss. Oh, yeah, I knew it. Brock Bowers on the auto. Tina, congratulations. First time breaker with Primo. She's new to the hobby. Congratulations. That's kind of awesome. Bang. Let's go ahead and get him top loaded. I knew somebody was chilling. Just the way that the hobby started. Congratulations. Luke McCaffrey and Chris Abrams Drain. They sat there for a long time. Andre Tippett, Dan Hampton, Jonathan Ogden, Nolan Cromwell for the Steelers, Terry Bradshaw on the refractor, Bo Nix on the all-etch for the Broncos. Okay. J.C. Latham and Rookie with 2 packs to go. 2 mo to go. And we'll see if we've got any more surprises. And I feel like we've got at least one more numbered card. Since we started out with that base pack, I think we will. Look at that, Tina. A thing of perfection. Look at that. Randomly found Primo's break. Saw the Raiders chilling there. Was like, oh, you know. And then, holla. Drew Bledsoe. Bryce Young. Charles Tillman. Jason Witten out of $3.99 for the Cowboys. There you go, Cheeseman. Fuaga on the refractor. Adonai Mitchell, Youthquake. Graham Barton, one more again. And Fuaga, one more again. There's you a PC card. We've only gotten you one of those, haven't we, Mr. Soprano? Well, we got 1 pack left. Anything can happen. It can happen. He's on the pack. Good luck, everybody. Last pack. Steve Hutchinson, Todd Heap, Chris Carter. It was a bear. The fridge. For the Bengals, Boomer Esiason on the refractor. J.J. Watt on the Legends of the Gridiron. Marshawn Lloyd. And our last card is a Colt. It is Latu for the Colts. And that was that. Look, we got another Texan, too. Like I said, you guys, we've got a few new breakers in here. Most of you have at least broken with me a couple of times. You don't really have to worry about it. I'm going to take care of you. again, most of y'all leave when I do this recap. I will be posting tomorrow nights at noon Eastern Standard Time. So don't be looking for it at 6:30. It won't be there. But be looking for it around lunchtime when you're getting hungry and you're getting ready to murk some nabs or your sandwich or whatever it is. It's like, oh, Primo's posting at noon today. I might want to check that breakout and see if it's something I want to pop off on. Thank you so much, everybody. We're going to go ahead and do this recap here. I'll get this replay up probably tonight. I've only got a couple of more or that we're still downloading when I got on earlier from yesterday. So we should be good, I think. And Scotty said to give this to Justin with the Texans. So that's coming to you, Justin. Scotty's got a break tonight, you guys. I don't, or he's probably on now. But that's going to you, bro. From Scotty, just so you know. That's from Scotty. And let me get these. And we'll do a little recapping. Thank you, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Like I said, I'll try to get the replay up here in a little bit. Jared Goff, Rashad White, Marshawn Nealon, Kool-Aid McKinstry, Cooper DeJean, Jimmy Johnson, Jordan Travis for the Jets, Josh Palmer, Jamal Lewis, T-Law with the little problem, Justin. I don't know. You know what? I think I probably have another one of these. I'll just swap it out. I won't, if I can find it. Travis Etienne, Michael Pittman Jr., Joe Montana, Troy Franklin, Matt Stafford, Marshawn Lloyd, Bo Nix, Justin Herbert, Michael Penix Jr. for the Falcons, Adisa Isaac out of 299, Keon Coleman, Ladd McConkey, Kyle Hamilton, a nice Malik Neighbors for the G-Men, Jonathan Taylor, another Malik Neighbors, Barry Sanders, Drake London on the patch, Spencer Rattler for the Saints. Appreciate you, Tina. I'm just so you know, when I'm on quite a bit now, but I'm always on Tuesday night, Thursday night, Saturday morning, and Sunday morning. That's when you can absolutely 100% find me. Legendary logos, Jalen Hurts, Tom Brady on the T-. Oh, get in there, Cam. Cam Akers for the Rams. Marvin Harrison Jr., nice. Keon Coleman, Luke McCaffrey, James Cook, J.C. Horn, Trevor Lawrence, Keenan Allen, DeAndre Swift, Cooper DeJean, Terrion Arnold, Malachi Corley, Joe Thomas, Donnie Shell, Austin Eckler out of 149 on the True Blue, Brock Bowers, J.J. McCarthy, Bo Nix, Michael Penix Jr., Dijon Edwards for the Steelers out of 499. Jatavian Sanders out of 35, 4 out of 35 for the Panthers. Malik Neighbors, Anthony Gould for the Colts out of 499. Reed Blankenship, patch auto out of 99 for the Eagles. Caleb Williams, base thrillers. He did at least show up. Bucky Irving. T. Higgins, rookie for the Bengals. Brian Thomas Jr. Bucky out of 399, patch. Marvin Harrison Jr. Dalton Kincaid, gold, 10 out of 10 bookend for the Bills. Marvin Harrison Jr. Xavier Legette. Jace McClellan. Blake Corum, Steve Atwater for the Broncos. Rookie for the Falcons, Joe Montana. Dan Fouts out of 150 for the Chargers. Bruce Matthews, auto out of 199. Boomer Esiason, Terrion Arnold, Youthquake, Jason Witten out of 399, Terry Bradshaw, Cade Stover, Brock Bowers, J.J. McCarthy on the rookies, Michael Penix Jr. Vortex, Xavier Worthy out of 49 for the Chiefs, nice Cheeseman, Drake May on the retro, going to Jaws, out of 299, Michael Penix Jr., Michael Irvin, Bo Nix, all etch. Barry Sanders, Sunday swag out of 75 going to Scotty. J.J. Watt, Latu, Grogan, Malik Neighbors, Jatavian Sanders, Lad McConkey, JC, Bo, and Brock. Congrats. I don't know. The other one, the base, probably, I don't know, probably anywhere. If you slab it, probably $30-$40. If not, I don't know, anywhere from 10 to 5 range. But first time breaker, Tina, congratulations. That's a nice hit. Cardboard, thank you so much. New Primo breakers, thank you so much. I'm on quite a bit, so you can find me when you need to find me, if you want to find me, okay? And you want to find Primo, because he's Primo. Everybody, have a good rest of your night. I'll see some of you tomorrow night, I would imagine. Be looking for the video tomorrow at noon. I'll be posting it, and I'll try to tag most of you, so it should alert you in some way. Justin, Arkham, Cheeseman, everybody in here, thank you so much. Mr. Soprano, I appreciate you, bro. We're going to get some more ripping in. This week just started, and it started with a Brock Bowers auto. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Good night, everybody.